Hey guys, just going to go over tablature. So you've probably come across this at least somewhere when you've searched up for how to play a song and tab will pop up. Now, I'm not a huge fan of tab. I'll be point blank on that, but it does have its uses. So I guess some of the easy things about it are, look, it's great you have a line for each string. Easy, hey? Oh, there's 6 strings on guitar, 6 strings on tab. Great. But it's upside down. And that's just plain confusing. Now, it's upside down for a reason, so that it matches up with notation, which shows you ascending and descending scales. So it does have a logic behind it. And the other thing is, as much as it tells you the fret to push down, it doesn't tell you what note you're playing. So that's great up until you talk to someone who's playing a trumpet and they don't have frets and you don't know your notes. So it actually hinders some of your learning. So as I said, not a fan. But I think there are some good things in there, and we'll just go through the basics of how to recognize when a scale is being played. So say we take the A minor scale and we can roll that out. So O, 2, 3, to the next string, O, 2, 3, on to the next string, O, 2. So it's familiar in that sense. Now, when you actually, say, pick up someone's song and you're going, what are they doing? And you can't pick it out by ear, you don't know what's going on, yeah, jump in, grab a bit of tab. But what you really want to have a look at, what is the key that they're playing in? Because that'll tell you then what scale you're going to use. Once you know what scale you're using, you can actually have a look and go, oh, right, that's where my fingers are going to be, using that scale in that position, and I can run through and go, cool, it's A minor, O 2 3, O 2 3, O 2. And there you go. So one of the other things, chords. Now, chords come in all sorts of weird and wonderful things. I think it's far easier to learn the theory behind chords. Then you can actually hear it and go, right, that's, they put their third there. I know what chord they're playing. But again, you can just get stuck, or there can be so many instruments going on. Have a look at the tab. Hopefully it's a good one. And you can see the chords are, it's laid out for you. So they're all in a row. It means you're playing them all at the same time. And you've got your, 0, 2, 2, 1. Oh, boom, easy. That's my open A minor chord. So I guess tab is really good, I guess, if you're learning covers and you want to actually play a lot of covers. Obviously, this course isn't hugely about that, but there's nothing wrong with picking up a few covers and, doing cover sets. It's a great way to earn a living or some money on the side. So, look, I encourage you, if you are going to look at tabs, just don't make it the only way that you pick up other people's music. Use your ears, learn some theory, learn your scales, and I think you'll find it a lot easier that way, and then you'll just be using tab as a reference point. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time.